To create a backup in your Informant Sync, you'll tap on the three-dot menu icon in the bottom right, and then you're going to select Settings. From here, you'll select Backup, and you can do a manual backup by pressing the three-dot menu in the top right and selecting Backup Now. In order to change the rate at which your informant backs up or how many backups your informant keeps, you can tap here where it says Auto Backup Enabled. You'll see a little arrow to the left. Tap this. From here, you can change how often your informant does a backup. You can also change what time your informant is going to create that backup, and you can change how many backups your informant will keep before it deletes that oldest backup. You can also change where your informant backups are held. By default, they are saved locally on your device in your Android data Pocket Informant files. You can tap here in the To section, and you can choose to have these backups saved to a Dropbox account if you'd like. You would just tap Dropbox and sign in to your Dropbox account, and then those backups will be saved on the Dropbox account that you have on your computer.